Okay guys, today we're going to continue shooting some of the new frames that I got in my care package. Today, this is a frame that I got from Forkshooter TB. I don't know if there's a special name for it, but it's a sharp looking frame. Fits in the hand beautifully. It's almost like it was custom designed for me. So we're going to take the first shot at the paper plate. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that shot looked pretty straight. Looked like there might have been a bit of an arc to it though, so I'll have to see where it hit. Man, TB, if you're watching, this thing shoots nice and straight. I had to watch your video on attaching the bands. I mean, it came with the bands attached, but if I ever have to replace them, I didn't know how to do it. Let's go one more, and then we'll go get the paper plate. Oh, that one's a little low to the left. Let's go see. Okay, guys. So we have only one in the black, but we have 1, 2, and that's a big hole. So I don't know if maybe a second one went through there, and then one down here. So that's a pretty tight little grouping. Even better than the sniper sling grouping I had yesterday. So Forkshooter TB, I have to say, first shot, pretty impressive for made in your own shop design. This is pretty cool. Check out the slot band attachments. I've never seen anything like that before, but yeah, it works pretty darn good. So Forkshooter, thank you, man. And guys, don't forget to